Hi, I'm Jay O'Connell, Product Manager for OpsCore, and I'm going to show you how to customize the fit of your LockDown liner system. The first thing you want to do with your LockDown liner system is make sure that you're in the right size helmet. From there, we can make some fine adjustments using the LockDown liner shims. And on the inside of the shell, there are specific places where you can add LockDown liner shims to adjust the fit of your helmet system. If you're not able to get a stable enough fit using our cable Occ-Dial system all the way adjusted, all these comfort pads can also be adjusted to customize your fit. These pads can be pulled out, and LockDown liner fit shims can be added in the side locations if you're someone with a narrow head, or they can be added in the front and rear locations if you need a tighter fit in your temple or nape areas. So all you have to do is peel back the comfort pads, attach the Velcro, and then just simply push the comfort pad back into position. You can do the same thing on the side and rear locations. After you make the adjustments, you can check your helmet for a proper fit. For more information on the LockDown liner system, visit our website.